Hello everyone, Siva here, founder and CEO of Lyzr. We are super happy to bring you Architect, the world's first agentic app builder. Architect helps you build AI that works for you. But before we explain what Architect is, I want to share what prompted us to build Architect. We've been building agents for the last 2 years, and we've been watching the evolution of agents and LLMs as these two technologies go hand in hand. And people in this industry, those of us at the bleeding edge of agentic AI, are sensing that something is shifting really fast underneath. We are moving into a world of alpha agents and beta humans. And I wrote a piece about it on LinkedIn. You can check it out. So what is alpha agents? Of late, with the advances like Claude Opus 4.6 and Codex 5.3, and the new agent architectures like OpenClaw showing us what is really possible, we see that the agents can now have a lot of agency and can become the nerve center of the processes. As agents take control of these processes, they will then assign tasks to humans. And this is actually happening already. So let me address the white elephant in the room then, the question that I'm constantly asked by business professionals. Will agents replace my job? Will agents replace all white-collar jobs? And here's the honest answer. Many tasks will absolutely be automated by agents. A lot of processes today were built by humans for humans to execute. And agents are increasingly modeled around human capabilities, so they can and will take over many of these processes. But the people who learn to build, supervise, and manage these agents will move up the value chain. They won't be replaced easily by agents. Today, you have the opportunity to learn the art of building agents, managing them and administering them, so that you're not replaced by them in the food chain. You actually leap above these agents and go to the top of the food chain. But agent building is a skill, and I'm not talking about the Microsoft copilot-style basic agents or the custom GPTs. I'm talking about agents that can do serious work, like negotiating contracts or evaluating employee performance or underwriting an insurance policy. Today, the art of building agents is still logged in with a very small group of developers and automation enthusiasts who use frameworks like LangChain or platforms like Innate. But that doesn't serve the larger purpose, isn't it? That's still only a small fraction of workforce that knows how to build and manage them. We believe building and managing agents should be a skill that's as important as knowing how to write emails. This is going to be one of the most important skills you will need in the coming years. But building real agents is still fragmented and gated. If you look at someone who's building agents, they might probably brainstorm in ChatGPT, then stitch these workflows in N8N, then build a usable front-end in Lovable. This is good, but it's too many tools, too much glue, and it keeps most people out. That is why we built Architect. Architect compresses these three experiences into one. If you're a non-technical user, you can simply describe the problem to the architect. And if you're a developer, you can do a lot more. You can actually provide much deeper specs, like the kind of agents and models and orchestration you want to use. Architect then builds a detailed plan, builds an intuitive multi-agent system, and creates a beautiful app for you to interact with the agent you built, not a boring chat UI. Which is why we call it the world's first agentic app builder. Architect truly demonstrates the art of agent building. It democratizes actually the art of agent building. And the best part is this: every agent you build with Architect is enterprise grade from day one with built-in security guardrails. All right, let's get started. Let's see how Architect works.